Today we're going to do one of my favorite lower ab exercises, the reverse crunch. So what you want to do is go ahead and lie on your back. Okay, so knees are above our stomach, and then from there we're going to try to straighten the legs. Now, if you can't straighten your legs in this position, it's okay to keep them bent like that. You just don't want to let your heels get really close to your butt. So you want to either be here or here. Now from there, we can have our palms flat, your neck is straight. You're going to engage your abs, curl your hips up, and try to lift your hips just a little bit off of the floor. So it's kind of hard to see that anything's even happening, but I can certainly feel it happening in my lower stomach. So the goal is to get your hips about an inch or two up into the air. That's plenty, but it's very important to keep these legs nice and straight. So you don't want to bend your legs just to get your hips higher. That isn't what we want. So it's a contraction, hold for 2, and then relax. You also want to try not to let your arms push into the floor to help, because that's going to defeat the purpose of targeting those lower abs. So arms are just supporting you, but they're not helping, just your abs doing the work. Try 2 sets of 25 for your lower ab workout.